Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Today I am taking you with me on a slow walk and sharing how something this simple can change your mind, your body and your mood. You all are fed up with the deadlines, screens, noise, but sometimes all you need is a quiet walk in nature. Today I'll tell you the benefits of walk. First, it reduces the stress. Walking among trees lowers your stress levels and your heart rate slows down and your mind begins to breathe again. Second, it boosts your mental clarity. Nature helps you clear the clutter from your thoughts. No pings, no notification, just pure focus and calm. Third, it improves the physical health. It's gentle cardio, great for your health deeply and your joints, and you won't even realize you are exercising. Spending time in nature reminds us we are a part of something bigger. It encourages the mindfulness, being truly present in the moment, appreciating the sights, sounds, and the sensations around. A study showed that just 20 minutes in nature can significantly lower stress hormones. The sounds of rustling leaves, birds, and fresh air act like a natural reset button for you. So next time if you are feeling stressed, stuck, monotonous, anxiety, don't stroll, get outside, breathe it in and let nature do its magic. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Please drop a comment below. I would love to hear thoughts. Share this with someone who needs it.